Hello, my name is Luis Marques, and we are BrainAnswer. We are focusing in democratizing neuromarketing. We are doing this by delivering results in 24 hours at a fraction of the cost. Well, this is a simple example of neuromarketing. This is just eye tracking, just a simple piece. As we can see, we have something to call the attention, the product is itself, and then some branding. The bigger the circle, the more staring time there was. Here is more visible. Here's the heat map. It looks like people really looked at the brand, and they were firstly distracted. Well, here we have the final result. This is an example that we've made. We concluded that first people looked at the distraction, which is a beautiful lady, to call the attention, then the product, and only after that, the branding. So, at the end of this experiment, we told 9 of our participants to go to lunch, and then they came back one hour after that. And we asked them, what was the brand in the bottle? And they responded, 8 of that 9 participants responded the wrong brand, responded Sagres. So this is an incredible example of an incredible publicity for beer, but terrible for the brand, because the attraction is really a big distraction. And this is something that we can prevent happening. Well, that was just a simple example. Nowadays, we are using these sensors. These are headsets. They measure brain waves, and we use algorithms to get emotions out of that. Nowadays, this industry is extremely expensive. The prices are incredibly high. The response time is incredibly slow. It takes at least 1 month, just goes up from there. And they use focus groups. They get people together, and they have to pay hotels, they have to pay meals. Everything is very expensive. The big breakthrough that we are bringing to the table, the big value that we are giving here is really the incredibly low price, the incredibly fast response time from 24 hours to 3 days, and we are doing this by using a web of testers that we are creating. And by this, we are creating a whole new market that there wasn't here before. We are democratizing neuromarketing. So, just a simple example of neurosensorial. This is a simple video I'm going to show you. It's really fast. So, the yellow line is excitement, and the pink one is satisfaction. Just okay. Yes, here it is. So, as we can see, there is the eye tracking of it. We can separate male and female and other parameters of the eye tracking. Yellow one is excitement, pink is satisfaction. So the music is getting the excitement up. Now it's the moment. Feel the moment. So this is very important. This is where memories are created. This is an excellent advertisement. Because there was a feeling. And then something terrible happened here. Look at this. The satisfaction just goes down, just frustration just skyrockets. It's incredible, and I'm going to explain you why this happened. I'm going to explain you this. This is very important. Because in this next slide, it was a beautiful moment. It was an excellent ad. It created an emotion, and it made it memorable. But in the end, it was connected to a supermarket company, and it was a betrayal. It was like a beautiful moment stolen because it was an ad. And people, this is a real example. This was on for 2 weeks, and they had to take this ad down because people were calling hungry about it. They were angry phone calls. So how much has this error costed to this brand? Really, a lot of money. And not only the money, the branding. Well, competition. We have big brands with big prices and slow response times. This is our competition. We are not competing with these ones. We are a new market in expansion. We are creating a new market. Neuromarketing right now is limited to big companies. And now we are democratizing it. We are bringing it to a whole new sector that wasn't tapped. It's a whole new segment. The market potential is incredible. In agri-foods, tasting products, wines, other drinks, foods, it's 2 billion only in Portugal. It's huge. The business model is incredibly simple. We receive a request, we send it to the testers through our web platform and their platform in their own homes that they receive there. They test in a controlled environment. We receive the data automatically. Then we analyze it with several algorithms. We choose the best one and we will give the report back in 24 hours to 3 days. We receive the money and we pay. Incredibly simple. We pay the testers. Our team this is our magic team. We have João Valente, Jeremy Silvares, Fábio Powers, and Luís Marques. It's me. I'm a programmer. And I can tell you this. João Valente in English means John Brave. So we are a brave team. We have background in neurofeedback. We have a background in gaming industry, and we are serial entrepreneurs. We are currently testing the algorithms we developed so far. We are developing the web platform and the desktop platform. That's a small error. That should be 200K, and we are going to use it as an accelerator. It's not serious, okay. But we are using it as an accelerator for expanding the team. Besides expanding the team, create the web of testers and have the first 5 beta clients. That's very important. We are working with multiple universities. We have an agreement with Kata, and we already have clients waiting for us. We haven't contacted anyone. They contacted us, and they are on a waiting list. We haven't contacted anyone. They are contacting us after presentations like this. So, in summary, we are BrainAnswer, and we are focused in democratizing neuromarketing by delivering reports in 24 hours to 3 days at a price that's very much below the usual price. So, thank you very much for your attention.